To perform the thumb over thumb technique on the anterior leg muscles, begin just above the knees and gradually move upward toward the hips. Allow your thumbs to rhythmically circle over each other while applying gentle pressure. The more vertically your thumbs are positioned, the more pressure you can apply. If the intensity is too high, reduce pressure by pressing less firmly and with less vertical force. Avoid overextending your thumbs. Keep them slightly flexed to prevent strain while applying pressure. Due to the high intensity achievable with this technique, maintain visual and auditory contact with the massage recipient. Due to the limited area to massage on the shin muscles, this technique is highly effective. Begin just above the foot and work your way up toward the knee. Given the muscle positioning, focus on using the sides of your thumbs rather than the tips for optimal results. When employing the thumb over thumb technique on the posterior chain of the legs, apply the same principles as on the anterior part and divide it into two parts. Initially, fully massage the calf muscles from all sides before proceeding to do the same with the hamstring muscles. This segmented approach ensures we prevent exerting excessive pressure on the back of the knee. Dividing this technique into two parts also prevents overreaching, helping maintain proper posture for the person giving the massage throughout the massage session. When the person receiving the massage is face down, rely on body movements or verbal feedback to gauge if the pressure applied is suitable.